Hello, this is Sumera saying hi to everyone. A warm welcome to all of you on behalf of my channel Linguistics and Research Guideline. I always respect my audience. Thank you. I will give you insights how dialect is different from language. Dialect is more far-reaching than accent. What is dialect? Two or more varieties of language is called dialect. A dialect is a regional and social variety of a language distinguished by pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. The term dialect is often used to characterize any way of speaking that differs from the standard variety of a language, which is largely considered to be dialect free. With that said, few people actually speak the standard variety, and most language represents a dialect. What is dialect? Dialect is a way of speaking that is characteristic specific to of a certain geographical areas or a certain group of people. People from different regions say things differently. People use different words to say the same thing. Dialect can be divided into two types: social and regional dialect. Difference between dialect and language. A dialect is a type of language spoken by uneducated country people. It's the corrupt form of correct language. It's derived from the correct form. The people who speak the language correctly don't speak dialect. Accent versus dialect. Accent, the description of aspects of pronunciation which identify where an individual speaker is, from socially and regionally. Dialect, language spoken by the people of a particular place, time, and social group. Pros and cons of dialect. Dialect is a regional and ethnic version of language, non-standard. Advantages: voice characterization, more real, identify captured people in a specific context history. Disadvantages: stereotypes and judgment, harder to understand if unfamiliar. Standard English is necessary for success in interviews, formal papers, etc. Origin of dialect and isogloss. Dialect may involve changes in pronunciation, vocabulary, and syntax of Standard English. The word dialect comes from the ancient Greek dialectos, discourse, language dialect, which is derived from dialectistia, or to discourse talk. Every dialectal feature has its own boundary line called an isogloss. Language and dialect difference. A language is written and spoken, while dialect is just spoken until promoted to elite status. Languages are afforded more prestige than a dialect because they are given a title, a nation, and a canon of literature that give it its elite status. Dialects. Dialects can be defined as different varieties of the same language that have evolved over time and in different geographical locations. For example, Italian, French, and Spanish were once dialect of Latin, but over centuries have evolved into their own languages and in turn have spawned their own dialects, some of which have become languages. Good luck. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Bye.